generational wealth remains out of reach for millions. In my web class, you'll learn how to break that cycle and use life insurance to transfer wealth and never let your family start from scratch again. And the truth is, most families simply don't know how to break it. They don't know how to start building generational wealth. It's not about having a ton of money to start. It's about knowing the right strategies and using what you have smarter. In my web class, I'll show you why generational wealth keeps skipping families like most, how to use life insurance to create a legacy instead of just a payout, and simple steps you can take no matter your income to start building generational wealth, wealth that passes from generation to generation. So if you're ready to break the cycle of starting from zero and build something bigger for your family, click the link and grab your spot, and I'll see you there.